Hi everyone, this is Amit and you are watching my channel Information Educational Videos. In this video, I will talk about the things you should do in the first semester. So this video is very important for the students who are going for the first semester. Here I will discuss how to score above 9 CGPA or more and how to study to get those score and which language, that is programming language, to start with in first semester, and the timetable you need to follow, and the most important, enjoy your college life. That is, the the college life will be completely different from your schooling, that is higher secondary. So watch this video till the end to get all this information about the first semester completely. And if you have any doubt after watching this video, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you're first to my channel, please subscribe it, and for many videos check the I button as well as the description box. So let's start the today's video. With how to score good in first semester, this is the most important thing. That means you need to score in the first semester. That will set the tone for all the BTech course for the next semester. So here first you need to do is what? First of all, try to know the question pattern of your respective university in which you are going to study. So after knowing the pattern, you will be able to study accordingly. So after knowing the pattern, just focus on the teacher of your college. What they teach, that is enough for getting a good score in the first semester. So just focus on the teacher, the material they provide, and next try to score good in the internal exam, that is your college exam. Some college held one internal exam, some two. So try to score good in that. That will increase your CGPA in the final exam, because this internal exam have also some weightage in the final result. So try to make attendance above 80%, because attendance also have some marks in the internal. So try to make above 80%. And after doing all this, your first priority should be the programming for all the students, irrespective of branches. If you are willingness to study about the CSC syllabus for the student who are from core branch, so this is the best time to start your programming, because in first semester you have more time to study other things than your syllabus. So just try to start your programming. And for CSE, IT and ECS student, it is mandatory to start programming first semester itself. It will helpful in the second semester and third semester also. So try to keep a book for all possible subject. It will help in the final exam, because all things will become from that book itself. So and try to do exam oriented study. It means you need to do the study oriented to your exam. That means no need to worry about the future, because the first semester syllabus is of no use in the further semester. So just skip it, as it is only for first semester. So try to study according to your exam only, which will give the good marks in the exam. Don't miss the lab classes, because the lab class have more marks in practical. So you have to able to do the practicals in the lab exam to get the more marks, and it is easy if you attend the lab classes. So that's it about the how to score good in the first semester. You need to follow just these steps and you will able to get those score in the first semester. Next is which language to start with, the important thing. The first language that you should start with, I think, the C programming language, because the C programming language will be used in the second semester for CSE student and as well as in the third semester. So it is good to start the C programming language, and it will become easier to learn other language after the C language. So just start the C language, then you can easily learn any other language. But if you think that you should start with another language, you can start, but I think the best to start with is C language, because after C language it will become very much easier to study other language, that is Python, C++. So you can start with anyone, but I will suggest C will be better for the first semester, and keep a book for reference and make a note and try to learn from anywhere. That means you can learn from YouTube or any other online platform or from your teacher. Just try to learn the concepts and keep a note, make a note of yourself, and that will be useful in the further semester. And the most important thing for programming is to practice more and more. If you do the practice, you will learn the concept for future very easily. So the next is time and table that you should follow. Here nothing to do much, just follow your college, which type of an assignment they provide. You should do all the assignment in on time. That will ensure your good score in the semester, and try to find time for coding practice. That is most important. After doing all the assignment for college, you have time to practice the coding that you learn. Now the last, the most important is enjoy your college life. It's completely different from your schooling. Here you will find much time to enjoy, and try to make good friends that will enhance your knowledge and experience, and just don't waste your precious time, and try to maximize your opportunity by learning different things, because in first semester you have time to learn about many different things, as as in the further semester you won't have much time to study different thing, because syllabus of the next semester will be more, and you won't have time to do much other things. So just try to maximize the time you get in the first semester to get a good score in the first semester, and it will set the tone for the next all the semester. So hope you find this video useful, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share this video to all your friends who are going to attend the college for the first semester. Thanks.